Hello everyone, my name is Brad Larson. I'm the owner, real estate broker for Larson Properties, and this is today's newsletter going on for June 2015. And right now we're at the San Antonio Real Estate Investors Expo downtown at the Omni here in San Antonio. And we're putting up a booth here, as you can tell. We've been talking to investors all day, and what we're telling people is what we do in single-family home property management. And so this is going to be our iteration for the June newsletter. And in doing this, I just want to talk about the San Antonio market real quick. This is Eric Davis. He's our business development manager. A lot of you have already talked with him because he does talk to all the owners, especially onboarding. He's been with us now for over a year. So we're here now downtown, and we talk about San Antonio real estate investment and single-family property management. So just a little bit about what's going on right now in this market is the market is as hot as we've ever seen it. So it's been extremely hot this year as far as the sales. Anything that we put on the market for sale has been going like crazy, which makes the rental market even that much more better. So when the homes are selling, and they're selling easily, that means there's less rental homes in the market. So it's a supply and demand thing. So that means the homes we do have for rent are going that much faster. So they're going really quick, and that's good news for owners, good news for a lot of the folks out there who have rental homes that they might be rolling over this summer. We're going to be able to find a tenant for you very quickly, or that tenant's just not going to leave because they can't find a replacement home. So we're seeing a win-win for everything at this point with the hot sales market. So I just want to give you a quick iteration for the June newsletter. If you got any questions, feel free to give us a call at 210-497-8686 or email us to info@satxpm.com. Thanks and take care.
It's not stopping.
Wow.